Welcome back. We're going to be looking at the proof for the area of a sector. Just like when we considered the arc length, it's important to know what percentage or what fraction or what ratio of the circle we have. So in these examples, it's really obvious to our eye that we've got half the circle, a quarter of the circle, or this one if a sixth of the circle. So what you do is you take the area for the full circle. The area for the full circle is pi r squared. And you multiply that by theta divided by 360. For example, to get a half, we would know that it would be 180 divided by 360, which would cancel down to be a half. We would know that 90 divided by 360, and you can check on your calculator, if you don't believe me, would cancel down to be a quarter. So you always want to find out what fraction of the circle you have by taking your angle and dividing it by 360. Now we times that by the formula for the area of a full circle. Now, if we convert from using the formula in degrees to radians, we need to change 360 degrees to 2 pi. Once we've done that, we can cancel this pi, and that leaves us with theta over 2 times by r squared, or a half theta r squared, as the formula for the area of a sector. In the next video, we're going to be looking at how we can use this formula in questions.